In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Squarespace password. If you need to update your password for security reasons or you simply forgot it and want to set a new one. Squarespace makes the process pretty straightforward. I'm going to walk you through exactly where to go and what to expect so you can complete it smoothly. To begin, sign into your Squarespace account and look to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click that icon to open your account dashboard. This is where you can manage your main account details and access the settings related to your profile. Once you're in the dashboard, move to the top right corner and click on Account Settings. If you don't immediately see it, just take a moment to look around the upper right area, because that's where Squarespace places those account management options. Clicking Account Settings will take you to the section where you can control things like login and security preferences. From there, click on Security. This is the area that includes password-related settings and other protections for your account. Inside the Security section, you'll find the option to change your password. Click Change Password to continue. At this point, Squarespace will ask you to verify your identity before letting you update the password. This is an important security step designed to protect your account, even if someone else is using your device. Check your email inbox for the verification code Squarespace sends you. Enter that code when prompted and then proceed to create your new password. When choosing your new password, make sure it's something strong and unique. A good password usually includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. It's also a good idea not to reuse a password from another account. This helps keep your Squarespace account more secure. After you've entered and confirmed your new password, save the change. Once that's done, your password reset is complete, and you can use the new password the next time you sign in. That's all there is to it. As long as you can access your account dashboard and your email for the verification code, resetting your Squarespace password only takes a few moments.